Hello, I'm in a travel tavern today.
Amazing!
Amazing cooking adventures!
Cooking adventures!
There's just something ace that I adore about taverns in Holland Hill. It's crappy. I like the anyone's anyone baseline thing, anonymous-y stuff. Anyway, you'll have a great fondness in my heart for travel tavern. Anyway, I've always wondered, could you cook a meal in one? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and do salmon and hollandaise with just the utensils here. So let's go. Okay, so I've got a salmon fillet, which looks like that, and I'm just going to put it in like a little bag, like a Ziploc bag of things. Pop that in. I'm thinking almost sous vide it in the sink. I've got the kettle going, so hopefully that'll cook it. So sauce, 2 bags. I'm going to put 2 eggs in there, smush them up, some butter in that, put them both in, warm up, and then slowly pour the butter into the eggs while smushing. And the butter in. So, hello. Just gonna see how hot the sink water gets. I don't think it's gonna be enough. First bag, butter. Okay, butter's melting quite nicely. I'm gonna go in with the salmon. Yes, okay, I've smushed up our egg yolks. I'm gonna pour some butter into it and then put it back in there. And into the sink of boiling water it goes. Put a little cup in to weigh it down, so I'm gonna smush that hollandaise around every few minutes. I think this will take about 20 minutes, so. Oh, ready to serve. I think this fish might be done. Let's go. I'm not gonna plate or anything to eat it off, so I'm just gonna eat it off one of these. Okay. This looks quite promising. This does not. It's not, I don't think they've got the temperature hot enough. Maybe you need more for hollandaise, but I'm going to put a drizzle on anyway, because in for a penny, but 6,000. Not ideal. Let's have a look in here. You know what? That's actually cooked. Perfect. Really nice. Just shame about the hollandaise. Maybe I should have used the little butter packets in there. Not butter, the little milk things you get, and made like a fishy white sauce or something, but thanks for being with me on this one. I'm just thinking, what about a whole bit of animal in a bath with a sous vide machine? Back in a bit. Love you, I'm right there.